Satay Beef Noodles. Hello everyone and welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. Shout out to Ginkaku Onishi, you guys are my favorite Japanese butchers. So satay wagyu beef noodles. This was a dish I had at Fong Wing Ki in Hong Kong. It is my favorite satay hot pot in the world, and today we're going to try to recreate that noodle dish that we all end with after eating everything else. This is going to be super simple, just 4 ingredients and water. So here we have spring onions, this satay bihun paste. So just any satay paste will be great. Some wagyu beef because we just like it, and some instant noodles. This is without any seasoning, I just want the noodles. ABC, always be cleaning. So we got us a cup of water here, just a little bit. And this packet, it says that it feeds 2 to 3 servings, 2 to 3 people. And right now I'm only serving myself, so I'm only going to use 1/3 of the packet. So satay sauce is actually peanut sauce. It is a dip that we use for meat. If you can't find it, it's actually pretty easy to make. It's like a quick recipe, so I'm using something that's pre-made. But you can just use peanut butter, sesame paste, onions, garlic, let's look, some chili paste, and you mix that all up, and then it basically becomes the same thing. Now that the satay paste is in there, I'm gonna turn the heat up, and I'm gonna close it and let it dissolve in the water for a bit. And everything from here on is gonna go so quick. Stay tuned. A quick tip, for a dish like that, I like to use something that's a bit thicker. So maybe a yakiniku sliced kind of beef, right? The thickness is there because it gives a better and fuller mouthfeel. It's gonna be so decadent when you bite into that and you can actually chew on it. I do not like shabu shabu cut for this. It's just way too thin and you don't feel anything. It's not gonna give you that va boom. So yeah, I get something thicker cut. Also, I don't usually like wagyu, but in this dish it just hits different. I usually like my meats lean in a steak. I just want to feel that beefiness, but oh, you'll watch me eat it later. Too bad. So I'm just breaking up the paste, helping it dissolve a little bit more. After this, we're gonna give it a little taste test, see if it's salty enough. If it isn't, add some fish sauce. Not spicy enough, let's add some chili. Life is simple. You do whatever the hell you want. Taste test. Okay, I want it a bit more salty. Babe, what's the point of leaving this amount of fish sauce in there?
That is so fucking salty, that's definitely not fish sauce. It's enough. It's enough.
Oof. Let that boil. Let's add some spice. I don't think this is spicy enough for me, honestly. Spiciness is there. Ooh, ooh. You know what? I think I'm gonna eat out of this today. Oh, mala paste. I just wanna add some spice to this. The spice is so weak in here, and I do not have my chili padi, sadly. Alright. This is going to be the best instant noodles you'll ever have. I mean, I really like it. So we're gonna add our noodles in. You can add however much noodles you want. I was thinking about 2 packets, but maybe that's a little bit too much for me. I'm on a low carb diet, which is a joke. After you put the noodles in, give it a flippy flip. Let it get coated on both sides. Okay, we want to close it. Let the steam soften the noodles. Noodle. At this point, I'm just adding anything that I see. I'm gonna add some fried onions. Yummy. Break up the noodles and cover it again. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Check, check, check. Oh yeah. It doesn't look like much, but trust me when this is done. Gonna add a little bit more water. And now, the most important part. We're gonna lay our beef over and let it cook over the noodles. Oh, ouch. Burned myself a little there. Oh, oh my goodness. Me so hungry. We're gonna do this. And what's gonna happen next? We are gonna close that up and let it cook. This is going to go for about 3 minutes and we'll be ready. Sneak peek. Look at all that fat. That fat is going to flavor the noodles further. OMG. OMG. I don't want my beef to be like too cooked. I like it medium. And now we're gonna mix it all up. Trust me on this. Alright. Okay, I like my beef like that, so I'm gonna start seasoning it. Fried onions. I'm gonna one bite this, a whole piece of beef, some scallions, noodles. I'm salivating so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, the beef. Nice. Oh, watch me take another bite. You know, this is the kind of dish, right? When it finishes, you don't know where it went because you just eat so fast. I really want you guys to experience what I have just experienced. It is so delicious and so quick and so decadent, and it will make your hangover go away. For sure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you next week.